What's up, JL Life? Modell. We got another install coming on. Currently, me and the wife are installing her winch on her new Stinger bumper. Before we finish, we're actually going to swap out headlights for some LED bulbs. H13 in size. Make sure when you do this, make sure you get the adapter for the anti-flicker. But before we put in the winch, because we'd have to take out the winch in order to get these in, we're going to pull off the grill, open up the headlights, swap these with the halogen bulbs, and see how much brighter they are. Just so you guys know what we're using. Cougar motor headlights. They come with the built-in flip adapters. Comes with 2 of them, obviously. They are projector, so they shouldn't be blinding people on the road. We'll make sure that we angle the headlights down correctly. Don't be that guy. First thing we need to do is to take out these pop clips. There's 6 of them over here, 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 here. Just gonna pop them out and go on to the next. Need a screwdriver. Not gonna work. So you don't need a trim removal tool to do this, but it makes it a lot simpler. I used to use a screwdriver I recently bought. Trim removal, love it. So after you get the pop clips out, you're just going to pull on it to pop it out. There are several retention clips in the bottom. These are the clips I was talking about. What it takes is just opposite force to pop them out. Comes out relatively easy. You want to be on YouTube, Ed? So the next step is to take out the light housing. To do that, there's 3 bolts. One's going to be here, here, and here. We're going to use a 10 mil. Just take them out. So there's one of these on each one of the headlights. Turning these actually angles the headlight up and down. Turning it to the right brings it up. Turning it to the left angles it down. We'll do that once we're all done. From here, we're just going to unplug it so we can get this whole thing out. So we're going to take this out. You just squeeze right here. Pops out. From here, twist, take off the cap, twist, take out the bulb. There's that beautiful halogen. So what we're going to do from here is make sure we don't drop the housing. You don't want to crack a headlight. Okay, so to disconnect the halogen bulb, you're going to take this gray tab, pull it down, right there in the middle, squeeze and pull. Pops out. Just be careful or be cognitive. This washer rubber, this rubber washer, make sure that stays in place because that helps keep it watertight. You're going to take your light, you're going to line up the tabs. As you can tell, the tabs have different sizes. They're going to fit in, and we're going to rotate it righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And let's see, bake goes this way, in. You gotta push in against that rubber washer, turn it, there we go. So we're going to slide in the anti-flicker harness just into the housing. After, of course, we plug in here. Just tap back in. This runs in to out of inside, comes out of here. We'll plug that back in. We'll be good to go. Just find whatever way that this will fit gently inside. So all of it fits in. We're going to come back, make sure we got oriented correctly. Remember the adjusting screw for to our headlight adjustments. We'll be facing up. Grab your harness. We're going to plug back in. Sure you hear the snap. That's going to sit back in. We're going to get our 3 bolts. We're just going to hand tighten them right now. Don't forget to put the cover back on. Just put it in there, rotate it till it fits in, then rotate to the right till it's tight. Again, make sure it's oriented correctly. 10 mil. Side's done. We're going to do the exact same thing to side number 2. We'll see how bright they are.
Here is the final light pattern for these LED bulbs. It looks like a flashlight is shining through a drinking glass, is the only way I could think to describe it. It's so circular and not even. So you can see the orange from the other ones, but yeah.
We are so disappointed with these lights. These were advertised as projector lights, which means there should be a clear, distinct line in the light pattern, which clearly there is not. And one of the things I hate about buying anything on Amazon is you can never trust the ratings. These came highly rated, and clearly they're junk. Another victim of a false rating.
This lighting is terrible.
And on the other side of the spectrum, here are the lights we got from Amazon for Bromance. Much better light pattern. And you can see what I was talking about, the projector. You can see that clear, distinct line. Don't mind the lean. My Jeep leans. Most Jeeps do. It's just the Jeep thing.
Oh, you said you were going to start.
Oh, hey guys. So we're all done. Since this is a heathen install and Misty's Jeep, we're going to let her take it from here.
So, if you have halogen headlights and you want to swap them out, you are in luck because there are a lot of options available on the market. These Cougars are one of them, but we would not recommend them. Which brings me into my next point. You cannot always trust the reviews that are on Amazon. These Cougar Sport or Cougar Motorsport bulbs were rated pretty highly. They had good reviews. People talked really good about them, and you can see for yourself, they suck. They're not good. So you can't always trust reviews.
Yeah, Amazon, there's a lot of fake and bot reviews on there, and you always got to keep that in mind when buying anything you don't recognize as a brand name on Amazon. You always should try to find real world reviews on it, and hopefully this is going to be save someone from buying these in the future.
So on to bigger and better things. We're actually going to be swapping for something different. Now that we know that these are horrible, we're going to go with these.
Because we're not leaving these on the Jeep. This is unacceptable. This is not safe. This is bad. But back to the Star.
We're going with this box here. With these. Ta-da! These are going to be the High Beam Off-Road Drifter Series headlights. But that is going to wait for the next video.
So thanks so much guys for watching. We really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button.
Even though the product sucked, you can still like our overview of it.
So that's what's important. You're liking the video. You're not liking the product if
No.
you hit the thumbs up. If you bunch of thumbs down is not good for
Not
the video.
good. So yeah,
But
like, comment, subscribe,
and share. Help this channel grow. We love you guys. We're out.
bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, one last thing really quickly. So even though the product was terrible, the Cougar lights, you can still get something out of this video with the install because the
H13 is
H13 bulb size is going to be universal. So if you get a different brand of bulbs that you're wanting to try, you can still use this install video to help install them because they're going to be universal. Bye.